Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Joy Morrison, also known as I Brownie. So, guys, in today's video, I want to show you all how I made this delicious assorted pepper soup. You know, stay tuned and don't go nowhere. So first of all, I already washed my bomo cow skin. So I put in metal into the pot to make it get softer very faster and with water, and I cover it and let it boil for about 45 to 50 minutes. Here with me I have my aquara cow tail and goat meat, native goat meat inside. So I went on to season it with salt, pepper, added a whole lot of pepper, Maggi cubes, 4 onions, and I stirred. And I had to boil it for about 20 minutes. So here with me is Uda, uziza seed, ehuru. So I'll go on to boil my ehuru in fire. Ehuru in. So I had to roast it actually. Sorry. Then that's how it is. Just done brown. I have my ginger and garlic. So I'll go on to pound it. Here with me is my liver, cow liver. So I'll go and add it into the boiling meat, other meat. But you know, the liver doesn't take so much time. So I just added it to it, you know. Yeah, so I covered it to continue boiling. And back to my pomo, cow skin is ready. So I transferred it to the main bowl to continue cooking from there because it's almost half soft. Then I added more spice, 1 Maggi cube and pinch of salt to it to give extra taste. Then I added my pepper just to continue where I started because I added other ingredients. Yes, I stirred and covered. So in another pot I added my blended pepper and onions, added my salt, added 1 Maggi cube, added my blended spice, then I added my crayfish and added my other seasoning spice, pepper soup spice. Now I added my water based on the quantity of protein that I have, and just have to measure it based on the quantity of protein you have. Then I stir. So like this, I'm going to boil it for like 30 minutes. So see, my meat is ready. I separated it, the meat from the bowl, to leaving that other water in it. So guys, pay close attention to what I'm about to do in here. I took the water from here and transferred it into the pot, this one, so the seasoning can continue, pouring it into it to continue. You see what I did? So I went on to stir it very well, and after stirring it, I transferred the water back into the main pot for it to continue boiling. Guys, you understand what I did? So I transferred it back to the main pot because I want to use this other pot to make this pepper soup. Transferred it back here. So you see what I did now. So now leaving this one like this. So I went on to take a sieve to transfer the water from here into the sieve. I will explain further. Transfer the water from here into the sieve. Now I've finished transferring the water from here. Left with the spices. So that spices you can use to make your jollof rice later or something else with it. Then I added my boiled meat and stirred it very well. I stirred it very well. Now after stirring it, I added my pinch of salt And after adding my salt, I added my Maggi cube, just two Maggi cubes into the boiling meat and water. Then I stirred it very, very well. No need to add pepper because I already added more of those peppers. Then I covered it and let this boil for about 15 minutes, guys. Let it boil for 15 minutes. After boiling, you see the level of the water has reduced. Now I went on to add my onions and my uziza leaf and stirred it and allowed it to boil for like 3 minutes. So here you have it, guys. Yummy. Here you have it. When you try it, just let me know in the comment section because this is very yummy, guys. You need to try it out. So here you have it, ready to serve. Thank you all for everything. Thank you for supporting. Thank you. Don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will appreciate it. Yes, that is the final look. And let me know when you try it down at the